Welcome to the video, guys. Now I am showing you that the trades I have taken from the day. First trade I taken here on this candle high. My target was this and SL was this. This was my target and SL, and after that it was my sell. My reason behind the entry is the Fibonacci zone. From here I am seeing that the bulls are coming and pushing also from here, and that's why I took the trade. But suddenly market go down and took my stop loss, and it take a supports on my this levels on my demand zone. So after the demand zone, market goes up, and here I took my buy entry first. First here I take my trade here on this candle of the high. My second one, this candle go, this candle go, and my target was the same, but my SL was taken, and on this candle after this high break, I took an buy trade re-entry, and after that, as we can see here, I got 1:3 easily, and then I closed my set, and now I took a buy trade in the BTC, as you can see here, because it is come on my demand zone. As we can see here, the demand zone is respected many more times, so that's why it has to be now possibilities that it has to be broke. But I took a buy trade on this bullish engulfing candle, expecting that the bullish reversal from here with the 1 to 3 target, and another my entry was like this. If you see in this was the reversal point here. As you can see in my videos, you can know that. And this was the today's days, guys. This was the trade. One of the my best trade I got in my funded account, and now it is giving a bull signal another time. It has been give upper signal. Let's see what happens.